Princess Popsicle. Come over here. Come on. Sorry. Okay. I don't like that car. It's pink. Get in the car. We're at the mountain. Let's go. We're at the mountain, sweetheart. Okay, Dada. Okay, let's go. Fun times happen when you're at the mountain. Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, you look so cute. I'm glad I brought you. You look so cute. Okay, let's go then. I wish I could bring my puppy. Yeah. Okay, we're on the first. Okay, so now that we're on that part of the mountain, we gotta keep climbing. So I gotta hold you. So kitten, okay, let me grab you. There, now we're up. If you tried to do that yourself, then it wouldn't be true. So let's go. Ah! Daddy! Oh no! Are you okay? Oh, let's go hold on. Oh gosh. The car's over there. Let's go to the doctor. I was not planning to do this. My day's really bad. What's in that jungle place is the doctor. I go into the doctor's. Going to the doctor. What's this, Sarah? What's this? What's it? Come on. Yeah, let's go. Hello, doctors, are you here? Doctor. I don't see anyone. Come on, this way the doctor's office. Okay, why don't you sit there, baby, right here? Okay, just sit down here. I'll go and get some healing food. Yeah. Here, have this watermelon. Mommy! Yeah. Okay, see you later. I'm gonna go. Sorry I can't pay you. Here's $100. I don't have 20. Bye. Okay, baby. Get in the car. Well, that was easy. All we had to do was give you a warning.
Got him. He's on me. Who's that?
Okay, let's go. At home. Okay, baby, we're at home. Let's get your stuff out of the car. We're at home. Okay, baby, we're finally home. And, yeah.
Wait, can the jungle be the house, the jungle pet? Because I really like it.
Mary's using it, apparently. Okay.
Stairs. Look at my little cat.
Okay, yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe.